Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode in your Edifier X5. First of all, you have to open the case, take them out of this case, and then focus on the left earbud. When this indicator is not blinking, you have to click and hold this touch control panel until it starts blinking red and blue. Just like that. Right now, put it back close to your phone. Do not put it back to the charging case. Click to pair new device, and as you can see right now they are visible. It looks like the only left one is visible, but actually when you select this one and pair, they will synchronize, so you will hear sound, music and anything through both earbuds. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.